what's your competitive advantage? Why should yung mga aspiring motorcycle owners go to Cebuana Cycle in terms of financing motorcycle? Is it faster through your team? Bakit, what would make them say finally, yes, I'd probably just have to consider financing through Cebuana Cycle?
Yes, thank you for that very good question. Actually, nasagot mo na. Hi. Um, I would say that our processing, I flashed it earlier, so 1 to 3 days is our fastest processing up to the releasing of the units. And with our approval, it's already proven that we can get an application approved in just 1 day. Same day, actually.
So, tama pala yung hula ko. Ayan. Maraming
Nahulaan mo siya.
salamat, Miss Tala. Thanks. So, Mark, how about you?
Thank
Bakit
you.
sila
Thank you
dapat
for
sa
that.
cycle financing na dumiretso?
Yes. Share ko lang, no, nung nagsa-start yung cycle financing, yung tagline namin is Serbisyong May Puso. And I think it's still true up to this day. After 4, 5 years, ganun pa rin naman. It means na nakikinig kami sa mga customers namin and we continuously look for ways to improve our system. Share ko lang, no, sneak peek for 2025 and the coming years. We are continuously improving our services. Nag-implement kami ng new technologies kasi nag-evolve yung technology around us. So, kailangan nating sumabay. And yung mga technology na in-implement namin right now ay para makakatulong sa mga borrowers natin maka-access kahit hindi sila makapunta sa branch o kaya malayo sila or halimbawa ayaw nila lumabas ng bahay, kayang-kaya magsangla or CR. So, lahat yun nagsistem sa gusto naming makapag-serve, makatulong. So, ang purpose nga namin is to help 300,000 families by 2028. So, lahat ng ginagawa namin for this year and for the upcoming years para makatulong sa Filipino riders nationwide and hopefully worldwide soon. Thank you.
Grabe yung tagline, ano ulit? Serbisyong may
Serbisyong
puso.
may puso. Ayun.
Lakas maka with the heart, ganyan.
Ganun.
Miss
Service with the heart.
Universe ang peg, ganyan. Ayos ah.
Ah,
Thank you, thank you. So that really touches your target audience, and hopefully that comes, into fruition. It's something that will expand yung access of motorcycle owners to credit, no? So maraming salamat, Mark. How about Miss Daphne?
Ayan. So for our sa pag-credit naman, Sir Ayan, for our competitive advantage, I think ito yung pagkakaroon namin ng online processing, no? Yung pag-establish namin sa market nung Sapat Nexus namin na mas pinadali na namin siya, mas mabilis, and as fast as 24 hours, no? As much as complete yung requirements na ipapasa sa amin ng client, no? Kaya na siyang ma-release in just 24 hours. So with the help of Sapat Nexus, no? Isa yun sa competitive advantage talaga namin bilang financing partner ng mga OFW. Kasi alam naman natin na yung mga naglo-loan, hindi lang basta yung naglo-loan, may story behind that, meron silang purpose. So, and most especially for their families talaga. Kaya yung mga requirements namin, yung mga qualifications, so as easy as possible lang talaga siya para ma-access siya ng mga OFWs and seafarers, lalo na yung mga nasa ibang bansa na and yung mga onboarded na talaga sa barko. So, mas pinapadali namin yung buhay talaga ng mga bawat mamamayang Pilipino for their families. Ayun.
Very heartwarming kayong tatlo, ha?